I would say that one of the most miserable things about New Jersey is the traffic. I feel like that is the only thing that makes this state terrible. But honestly, if it was terrible, then less people will be living here. We are close to New York, so all the jobs are around here. But overall, it's a good state. You know, there's a few bad spots that no one really wants to go to ever, but every state has those. But the traffic is just miserable every single day. You know what I mean? It's not even 4 p.m. yet. This is a light traffic day already, Route 1. I mean, it's just terrible. Anyways, I'm testing out the glasses today. Right now is the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 2. And you can listen to the microphone quality. It's an overcast day. You can see the picture quality. Currently, I got aftermarket lenses on this thing. LenzReborn, Photochromic lenses. They turn dark in the sun. It's currently overcast right now, so even when I put the glasses out the window, it did not turn dark because there's no sun right now. But overall, the optical quality is superb. I mean, these lenses are only $12, photochromic, UV protection, of course, and I'd say it's better than a lot of Oakleys. Even in clarity, I have clear Oakleys. I'd say this is just as good, right? I don't notice any kind of clarity loss when I'm staring through these. It almost feels like I'm not wearing anything, honestly. I feel like it's just clear and crisp. $12, can't beat it. LenzReborn, I recommend it. Link will be in the description for these lenses. They also have polarized, non-polarized. They have photochromic. They have other colors, red, blue, yellow, whatever you want. I recommend these. I'll put a link in the description so you can purchase them. Overall, impressed. If I knew it was going to be this good, I wouldn't have paid extra for the